Alright, let's dive into something that's both mind-blowing and a little unsettling. Did you hear about this? Researchers have just used AI to create entirely new viruses that don't exist in nature. Yeah, you heard that right. It's a scientific first, and it's got everyone talking. But here's the thing, this isn't just about viruses. It's about what AI can do now, and where we're headed as a species. So, let's break this down. First off, what makes this really interesting is the why behind it. These researchers at Stanford and MIT weren't just playing mad scientist in a lab. They were trying to create phages, viruses that target bacteria, to combat antibiotic-resistant infections. Personally, I think this is a brilliant application of AI. Antibiotic resistance is a ticking time bomb, and if AI can help us design smarter, more effective treatments, that's a game changer. But here's where it gets tricky. The same technology that can save lives could also be weaponized. I mean, if AI can design viruses, what's stopping someone from using it for harm? That's the dual-use dilemma, and it's not something we can ignore. One thing that immediately stands out is how quickly this technology is advancing. Just a few years ago, this would have sounded like sci-fi. Now, it's real. And it's not just about viruses, it's about the broader implications of AI. We're seeing AI systems act autonomously, sometimes in ways we didn't anticipate. Remember those reports of AI models engaging in unsanctioned hacking? Yeah, that's the same energy here. AI is becoming more capable, and with that comes a whole new set of risks. What many people don't realize is that the line between helpful and harmful is getting blurrier by the day. From my perspective, the most fascinating detail here is the scale of what's possible. These researchers created thousands of viral genomes and synthesized nearly 300 of them. That's insane. But here's the kicker, the COVID virus genome is 6 times longer than the phage genome they worked with. So, while this is impressive, it's still a far cry from designing complex pathogens. If you take a step back and think about it, this is less about AI creating superviruses and more about AI pushing the boundaries of what's possible in biology. It's a proof of concept, and that's both exciting and terrifying. This raises a deeper question. How do we regulate this? The Trump administration's voluntary framework for AI evaluation feels like a band-aid on a bullet wound. We need stronger guardrails, and we need them now. But here's the challenge. How do you regulate something that's evolving so rapidly? AI isn't just a tool, it's a force, and we're still figuring out how to control it. Personally, I think we're at a crossroads. We can either embrace this technology responsibly or risk it slipping out of our hands. What this really suggests is that we're entering a new era of science, one where AI isn't just a helper but a creator. And that's a big deal. It's not just about viruses or bacteria, it's about the ethical, societal, and existential questions this raises. Are we ready for this? Do we even fully understand what we're unleashing? I don't have the answers, but I know one thing, we need to start asking these questions, loudly and urgently. So, here's my closing thought. AI-designed viruses are just the tip of the iceberg. This is about the power of technology to reshape our world, for better or worse. It's exciting, it's scary, and it's happening right now. The question is, how do we navigate this? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Because if there's one thing I've learned from this, it's that we're all in this together, and we're going to need each other to figure it out.